Hello students of Standard 7. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit, relationship. In this we will study today nurturing friendship. Hello students of Standard 8. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic of your English literature, My Mother. Before proceeding further, let us quickly recapitulate what we studied in our previous session. My Mother, this poem is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. The poet says that sea waves, golden sand and pilgrim's faith all are combined to his mother. The poet also wants to say that his mother has come from heaven carrying arms, and he remembered the war days when the life was very challenging and toil. War days means World War II. He always had to wake up before sunrise and had to cover a long distance to take lessons from the saintly teacher, and again he had to walk miles to the Arab teaching school. Again he has to climb sandy hills to the railway station road, as he has to collect newspapers and distribute it among the citizens. After sunrise, he has to go to school, and in evening he had to do business before studying at night. The poet also says that his mother only understands him. She always transforms the pain of the poet to pious strength. Pious strength means religious strength. His mother offered lots of prayer to the Almighty, that is, the God. Now let us read the remaining lines of the poem and let's see what the poet wants to say. Your strong pity is your children's strength. You always shared your best with whoever needed the most. You always gave and gave with faith in him. Here, pity means religious work. The religious work gave strength to the poet and always helped the needy ones, means who needed help at that time. In him, H is capital. It is the synonym of God. So, she always gave faith in God. I still remember the day when I was 10. Sleeping on your lap to the envy of my elder brothers and sisters. It was full moon night, my world, only you knew, mother, my mother. He remembers that when he was 10 years old, he means poet. He remembered that when he slept on the lap of his mother, then his elder brothers and sisters become jealous of him. It was full moon, my mother. Here it means the poet's mother understands him very well. When at midnight I woke up with tears falling on my knee, you knew the pain of your child, my mother. Your caring hands tenderly removing the pain. Your love, your care, your faith gave me strength to face the world without fear, and with his strength we will meet again on the great judgment day, my mother. When the poet woke up with tears at night, the mother knew the pain of the child. The poet's mother removed the pain of his child by caring hands. By her love, care and faith, the poet gets strength. It is very important as it was war time to have strength. With his strength means God's power. At last, the poet says his mother dies, he will again meet on the great judgment day. So dear students, here we end our poem. Dear students, based on our today's session, here is an assignment for you. Understanding the poem. As the poet thinks of his mother, several images flash across his mind. Write those images in the web chart below. The poet has beautifully described some personal qualities of his mother. In the table given below, column A has a list of qualities and column B has extracts from the poem that suggest those qualities. Match the columns. Some words are given in italicized to help you. Next, the poet's childhood days were full of struggle. Find out a few things that the poet had to do in his childhood to help the family. Here are some more questions to solve. How did the poet's mother act as a source of inspiration to the poet? There are many ups and downs in man's life, but one should not lose hope. Discuss this statement with reference to APJ Abdul Kalam, who became the President of India. Sleeping on your lap to the envy of elder brothers and sisters. Why were the elder brothers and sisters envious of the poet? Envious means jealous. Is envy good? Discuss. Writing skill. The word mother invokes powerful emotions in everyone. Think about your mother and write a short poem about her, thanking her for everything she does for you. Have a nice day, dear students. Thank you.